I am going to be changing your video sound from this to this
in just few seconds of this video, in just few minutes of the video. I'm going to be showing you free tips, free tool of how to enhance your video without using any mic. As you can see today, I am not holding any mic, but my video is so clear and clean, and as you can all know, and as you can see, you can hear me loud and clear without using any external microphone. So if you're on a budget and you are looking to starting out your YouTube channel, please and please, you don't have any excuse anymore not to start your channel. You can start with just your mobile phone, be it an Android or an Apple phone. You can start with it and then use this quick tip I'm going to be showing you in this video to enhance your voice, because what YouTube needs is when your audience can be able to hear you properly. Even if your video is blurry, even if your video is not bright, or let your audience be able to hear you properly, then your video is good to go. So if you know that you can watch this video to the end and follow this step-by-step tip on how you are going to enhance your video, then stay tuned to the end of this video.
After saving your edited video from CapCut, then you go to your app store and type video to audio converter. You will see so many types of video to audio converter app, but I'm going to be choosing a specific one, so I'm going to scroll down to the one I have on my phone right now. As you can see, I've already installed it, so I'm going to open it. It's going to take me to my phone. So when I've opened it, you just ignore that payment part, then click on the plus sign to be able to upload the video that you want to convert to voice. So I've already selected the video. I'll click choose, then it will be compressing the video into the app. So once it's done compressing the video, it's going to show me options. I'm going to choose the first option, that is format converter, and I'm going to take the MP4. So I'll choose MP4. I'll take 64 bit rate and I will increase the quality to 100%. Then when I'm done with this, I will now test the audio. I'll play the audio to see how it sounds. I'm trying to play the audio to see how it sounds before I now confirm it so that it can upload it for me. But in whatever you do, don't choose the 128 and 256. It's not going to come out well. Just pick either the 32 or the 64 bit rate. That is the best ones. The other ones are not going to really come out well. So once I've confirmed this now, okay, take it to 100, then I'll confirm and change the file name to the file you want to use for your video so that you can remember it. So when you are done with this, it will start converting. To start converting, to ask you to save, then you save to file, then you save to your iPhone file, then you click done. Once it's done, it's already saved to your iPhone file, so it's going to just be loading like this and show you an ad. So you just go away from the app, then go to your Safari and click Adobe Podcast, then you choose the file you want to enhance. So you can see I'm uploading the file I want to enhance. I'm uploading it in V2 because there's background noise at the back of my video, so I'm uploading in V2. So I'm going to download it on my phone. It's a free app actually. You just sign up, then you can start using it. The Adobe Podcast is a free app. So once I'm done downloading, I'm going to click on the icon on my Safari where it's showing download, then I will re-download, I will resave it to my phone because it's just downloaded on the app.
I am going to be changing your video sound from,
that is to see how the audio is looking like. Then I will now save it to my phone again. You can see showing V2, the enhanced one. So once I'm done saving this now, then I will now go to CapCut to where I want to edit my video. Then take my and click on the video that I want to work on. This is the video that I'm working on.
I am going to be changing your video sound from this to this.
So this is the audio that I want to use. That is this video you are watching right now. So now I want to be able to fix in this audio into this video. So I'm going to click on, I want to cut the part where I want to make the audio start from. So I want to split that part. So I'm going to click on split. Then I'm going to off the sound of the other part of the video. See, I've already off the sound. Then go to volume and increase this first one to be able to talk.
I am going
So
to be
increase this
changing
first
your
one's volume only, then the rest one will not make any sound. So I'm going to go and upload my video. Click on the extract from device. I'm already downloaded it, so I'm going to export it from my phone to CapCut. So I'm going to click on it. You can see the audio there. So once it's exported, I'll now click on the plus sign, then it will come in. Once it's in, then I can now do my editing. So I want to clip out, I'm going to highlight the audio and split it into where I want the audio to start from. So you can see I'm splitting it. Now I'm going to click on the audio and reduce the sound.
I am going to be changing your video sound from
So you
this
can see how
to
it's
this.
sounding
In
like.
just few seconds of this video, in just few minutes.
So now if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. After you're done with this, you can now export your video and then upload your video. And I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video.